Hi friend, and welcome to my channel. Let's draw Spongebob together. Are you ready? Let's start. Draw the cheek with a curved line and 4 small lines inside it. Draw a large circle for the eye and 2 smaller ones inside it. Draw 3 diagonal lines for the eyelashes. Draw the second eye with 3 circles like I do. Then, draw 3 diagonal lines for the eyelashes. Now draw the nose with an elongated U-shaped line. Trace the mouth with a diagonal line, a horizontal line, and a curved line. Draw 2 squares for the teeth and a curved line on the cheek. Continue the mouth with a vertical line, a curved line, and a vertical line. Draw 2 curved lines for the tongue. Wow! Our design is starting to take shape. Draw a wavy line for the chin. Draw the shirt sleeve with a diagonal line and an inverted U-shaped line. Draw the outline of the head with 1 horizontal line, 1 vertical wavy line, 1 horizontal wavy line, 2 diagonal wavy lines, and 1 vertical wavy line. Draw ovals of different sizes inside the head, like I do. Now draw the arm with 1 diagonal line, 1 V-shaped line, 1 semicircle for the hand, 1 curved line, 3 diagonal lines, and 2 curved lines for the fingers. Draw the body with 1 vertical line, 1 diagonal line, 1 horizontal line, and 2 vertical lines. Draw the tie knot with a diagonal line, a horizontal line, and another diagonal line. Draw the tie with a diagonal line, a V-shaped line, and a diagonal line. Draw 2 V-shaped lines for the shirt collar. Now draw the pants with a diagonal and a horizontal line. Draw 4 rectangles for the belt. Draw the shirt sleeve and the second arm like I do. Draw the pants with a vertical line, a curved line, and a vertical line. Then draw 2 vertical lines and a curve for the leg, and 5 horizontal lines inside it. Draw the shoe. Follow me while I'm tracing it. Draw the second leg in the same way. Wow! Our drawing turned out really well! Well done! Now let's take the colors. Use black for the pupils, the belt and the shoes. Use blue for the eyes and the sock stripe. Color the skin with yellow. Use green for the ovals. Use pink for the tongue. Use dark brown for the inside of the mouth. Color the pants with brown. And use red for the tie and the stripe of the socks. Excellent! Our friend Spongebob has turned out great and is ready to play with you. Good job! Goodbye friends, see you soon!